On my side, I think it's a brilliant course. Um, what I really, really loved about it is that it gives you like step-by-step guidance on exactly what to do and follow. And if you follow it correctly, you will have the success that it promises. And so far, I have had the success of currently I have 3 Airbnbs that I am running, and then I actually went to go see another landlord who is wanting me to take on her property. That one is coming up in end of Jan, unfortunately. So we're missing a little bit of the season, but that's fine. And then, of course, I've got the fourth one that is starting in October. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update of where I am, and for, I think, most importantly, why I went with ZA Homes was the amazing support that I've received from you through me doing the sourcing course from you, and just the willingness and openness of everyone to share freely their knowledge and expertise. So support is very, very, very important to me, and it was definitely the right place to do it because I received that from you guys. Thank you so much for all the help, and I look forward to doing some more amazing courses with you.